I'm here again, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So sorry, it's not my fault, okay? It's basically of the internet, and now I'm thinking that when you people feel having internet issue, then the teacher must be soft as well as, okay. So I will take care of you people as well as in the next classes, because
Yes, ma'am. And
really, even though I have the two different connections, but it was not working properly. So anyhow, again, coming back to our today talk as well as, so we were talking about the different operations are, you can say that how you can take start of to produce these off season vegetables, right from like you go for the rest of the other vegetable production by sowing and by raising the nursery, then you have to prepare your land, then you have to make different propagation structures, like the bed ridges are otherwise uh, uh, any kind of the propagation structure. Then you have to fertilize to make amendment in the soil as well as, and then the transplanting that can be done. And then you have to take care of the pruning, training, striking art. It depends on it according to the requirement of your vegetable. And then at the end you have to harvest your crop to protect it, and to monitor the different types of the different types of the temperature at, like, day, night temperature, moisture, light intensity, because all these different principles are the climatic conditions. They directly give you the idea that how much yield or the production you can fetch from your crop. And then of course for the marketing, grading, packing, post harvest treatments, those are important. In at the end, then your product can be marketed to fetch the highest or the maximum price, particularly during those days when there is shortage of that particular or the specific crop which the farmer has planned properly. Because this is very important to go when you go for the off-season vegetable, then it must be like a commercial crop. It must be like highly demanded crop, like you see that oh, it's again running out of time. Guys, today we have a very bad day. Almost, because we had started this lecture 30 minutes before. So I think after 10 minutes it will stop automatically. But then we can, you can rejoin again as well as. So, similarly, then there are the different types of, you can say, the adjustments are the options that the farmers they can go for the production of these vegetables. Like if you go, then the farmers they have to plan, and they have to change the sowing time than a normal sowing time. Are so here, like in this table, simply you can see that normally during the spring crop or the summer crop, if we talk about the normal season that begins in the in February end, or the you can see the start of the March, and then to May, and harvesting that can be done towards the June and August. And so, but for the off-season vegetable production, then you have to switch, or you have to make changes in the time to get early, late, or the mid crop. Again, it depends that you have to compare with the normal crop. And the off-season vegetable must be produced when there is no other vegetable that can bring into the market, okay. So in that way the off-season vegetable can give the maximum profit to the farmer. So like here just common example, like if you normally if you go for sowing from March, then off for the off season you have to go for the early planting like in the January, and then similarly that will results into the early harvest. So similarly you can have different option for the summer as well as the winter vegetables. Then there are some other cultivation possibilities, like rather than having the protected structures or different types of the coverings, then the farmers they simply can go towards the natural methods for having the cultivation in the field area, like just by adjusting the planting at the sowing time. And normally if you google out different papers, many more researchers they had worked to maximize the production, to have the good quality of these vegetables just by changing their sowing time from the normal time of sowing. Similarly, then there is another option again depends on the different areas or the facilities which are provided over there, like having those areas where there are the river belts or like having the ponds, and then even those particular lands, those can be used for the production of these vegetables. And again, the last one option, that is like use of the different agroclimatic conditions. And again, this is just like to find out the different pockets. Like we have good example, if the farmers they want to go towards the vegetable seed production, then the high hilly areas, like the areas, northern areas, in the other sense, are the areas where there is the environmental conditions are very conducive, clean, naturally. So those are considered good for the production of vegetable seeds. आपका जैसे गिलगित है, चित्राल, and similarly Mansehra, Haripur, all these areas, those are considered best for the production of the vegetable seeds as well as. So here, this is just a very small table just for having an example of the different vegetables. These vegetables are particularly of your summer vegetables, and here you can see the sowing period and the harvesting periods, those have been mentioned over here. So that basically such type of the information are the good planning of a farmer, that can then they can have the early, mid, or the late crop. Already we have talked about, just to have the good profit in the market when there is no other vegetable is there. So there is nothing to surprise to see these slides. Like of course, here in our country we have the major issue of the documentation. So in this slide, so then normally we have to quote examples from the different other countries. Like here you can see this slide, or this work has been taken from the Indian paper. And here you can see that on the riverside, the farmers they had grown different types of the gourds, like bottle gourd, then similarly among the cucurbitaceae family cucumber. And here you can see the farmer is holding that main pumpkin, and uh, of the bigger size. Bigger size means that basically the when we talk about the biomass or the yield in tons, then the farmers they can also fetch maximum profit by having cultivation of these vegetables along the riverside. Then the other choice is to maximize the vegetables. That's the use of the hybrid or the varieties, which the different researchers they had recommended, the research institutes they had recommended, and of course those have been had been characterized for their better growth and the production. So here you can find different types of the bottle gourds, cucumber, and the rest of the other vegetables. Like among the peas, you see that matri, then the green feast, meteor. Among I'm talking about the winter vegetable, because here in this table only the summer vegetables those have been quoted. So when we talk about the winter vegetables like peas, you may have the option of green feast, meteor, matri. So those are already giving the maximum production in the field area, either you go for open field or the rest of the other. So the here you see that the production of these vegetables could be possible under the different protected structures. And I think you people are also taking another course that's particularly on the protected structures. So here we will talk simply about these in general, that how these vegetables those can be produced under different structures. But I'm sure that you people have taken different lectures of the protected cultivation, and having the vast, you can say, the information by your concerned class teacher as well as Dr. Tanveer, because chairman and Tanveer, they both are taking your course anyhow. So the farmers they can go for the protected cultivation through the hotbeds. Again, it depends when the temperature is too low. Then the hotbeds those can be raised, and one good example of the hotbed, that may be the construction of the glass house, and even in the open field. Okay, you may have by making the different ridges, and these ridges those have those also be taken as the hotbed, because they can conserve the moisture as well as. And as the ridges they are high in the height, so they can perceive maximum light intensity, and then they can conserve the heat as well as. Then different cold frames, lath houses, like the plastic net houses, glass mulching mulch, that may be of sheet, that may be of the net, that may be of soil, that may be of the leaves, as well as similarly the low tunnel, walk-in tunnel, and the high tunnels. Those are being in trend to produce these off-season vegetables. Guys, you people are there? Students, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
okay, okay. So here in this slide, you can see that the low plastic tunnels,
Yes,
tunnels, cold frame, and the high tunnels. So basically, low tunnels already you people are taking the course, like for this particularly for having the low heighted vegetables are normally those are used to
yes, ma'am.
seedlings. Walk-in tunnel, like the crops you may have your chilies, tomatoes, and in which a person with the normal height can move easily. And similarly the cold frames, of course, when the temperature is too chill, then to conserve the to have the temperature, then such type of the protected, you can say, the structures, those can be built up. And the high tunnels, you may have seen, we also have in the field area the glass houses in both of these fields. So anyhow, these are the different structures which can give, which can maximize, and which can give the conducive environmental conditions for the vegetable production. Then like already we have talked about the different agroclimatic conditions, just to find out the different places naturally. Like if you wish, you mean farmer, okay, if they wish to produce the vegetables for the seed production, then they can go towards the high hilly areas. Similarly, in the high hilly areas, even though there is only one season, like the vegetables which we grow here during the summer, sorry, during the winter, you can grow them over there in summer. Like their season starts from March April, and that March April here is considered as the summer, and there as a winter. So in that way, these vegetables, those can be produced in the natural pockets of the different provinces. So similarly, you can find these natural pockets either in your